the weather. But thinking, Josh, here's what I've been thinking. Why don't we all change the time it says on our clocks tomorrow, say 2 in the morning? Let's just agree on that.
Are you going to stay up that late? Maybe you do sometimes. But it's a Saturday night, not a work night for you.
Well, you get to 2, then then it's only 1.
Right. I think so. And also, one point I think point out, Matt, it really only is an extra hour of sleep if you are asleep during the time change. If you change your clock before you go to bed and then you go to sleep, you kind of cheated a little bit on giving yourself the extra hour of sleep. You know what I'm talking about? So here we go. Earlier sun rises. Here we go. Saturday morning, 7:41 sunrise. Sunday morning, 6:42 sunrise. And that's the good news, right? However, earlier sunset. So 5:54 sunset on Saturday. Ooh, sunset before 5 o'clock on Sunday. Not loving that, Matt. Not loving it at all. But 'tis the season, and again, we do get a 49-hour long weekend, right? 53 at the airport right now in Syracuse, 40s elsewhere. So there's a chill in the air, certainly way colder than it was this time last night. Driving home last night from the station, I had the windows down, and it still felt like it was a summer night, not a late October night. Sprinkles possible as we go through the night here on Triple Doppler, sponsored by False Solar Service Experts. Otherwise, maybe just some clouds overhead, and that's going to help keep our temperatures from really getting super cold. It's going to be a different story, though, on Saturday night. As we look at the big picture here, we do have still some clouds upwind of us here off of Lake Huron, Georgian Bay. A northwesterly flow will keep some of that cloud cover going at least most of tomorrow, maybe a couple of breaks of sun. Let's show it to you on the Futurecast here. More bark than bite, sprinkles, if that, otherwise just the clouds. And then tomorrow, temperatures are only going to peak in the mid-upper 40s. If we get to 50, it may only be for a half hour, 45 minutes, but much of tomorrow we will be only in the mid and upper 40s there with a little breeze going on. All right, clouds will be erased. Erase them right there for you. Temperatures by Sunday morning, much colder than tomorrow morning. There could be some locations getting down in the 20s with some frost likely there. And then this model shows 50 here in Syracuse for Sunday. I think we could be about 4, maybe 5 degrees warmer than 50 with lots of blue sky and sun out. Way nicer to look at versus tomorrow's gray skies. Forecasting 42 tonight, much colder than it was last night and even earlier this morning. Sprinkles, maybe a little bit of light rain, but not a lot. Tomorrow, high of 50, and that'll be a brief high, otherwise mid-upper 40s. Cloudy skies for sure, a break or two of sun on occasion, maybe a couple of sprinkles in the morning, otherwise just a chilly day, early November weather, yeah. And then for Sunday, 54, nice and sunny there. Looks like nice tailgating and football weather at the Dome tomorrow, by the way. Monday, we got an SU basketball game at home, 56. Cloudy, maybe a little bit of light rain possible. Tuesday, Election Day, we're going back up north in the temperature department, 76. Not needing the heavy coat, going out to vote, and then back down to 60s later on in the week, Matt.
Well, thank you, Josh. Appreciate that.